Whoops.
Hold up! We'll wait for him here. Oh shit! Grenade! Grenade! Take cover! Hold position. I say again, hold position.
That's the wrong guy, shithead!
Fan out. Buddy! Shit! Asshole! You're done! I got signs of a possible ambush. Get ahead. Holding position. That's it, man. You're dead! The area is a no-go. I'm holding position. Looking at an ambush. Holding position. Whoa! Where you going, Fisher?
That's the main power equipment. Place are good to go.
That ain't good.
Guess again, fuckface. Not a chance in hell.
Grenade! Move! Where's the hostile? Give me a position!
Target! I got target! We're going in after him. Get ready. Go, go! Ryan Fisher! Want to see the fireworks? Cover!
Blast is kicked!
Jesus! Hold it! The area's compromised. Looks like an ambush. I'm empty. Cover me while I reload.
The area's compromised. We're gonna hold position here.
The area ahead looks compromised. I'm holding position. The area ahead is a no-go. I'm holding. Trying it out! Think he can hide? See about that. Fisher's still on the run. Let's find him. Search every fucking silo if you have to. I don't have a fix on him. Sam Fisher's hiding on the old reservoir site. He has to be dead before midnight. I don't have a fix on the...
Time to move.
can, asshole!
Locate the hostile and take him out. Move it! Motherfucker! In the control room!
No visual on contact.
Accept
Target's still active.
yes.
Spread out and find him.
Everybody stay sharp. See the target? Sound off.
Still no visual on contact. No sign of movement.
Damn.
Shit.
Anybody else?
All right, people. This is very simple. Some of you may have heard that Sam Fisher is somewhere around here. As far as we're concerned, that doesn't matter. We have a job to do when that big, beautiful device up there goes off. And by God, we're going to do it. Your orders take priority. Do you understand me? But if you see Fisher, feel free to put a few bullets in him. Now hurry it up. The clock is ticking, people.
I don't like this. Give them some time. They're probably just being thorough. Or they're dead. You hear any shooting? I don't hear any shooting. What the hell is that supposed to mean?
If our guys were down there and Fisher was still alive, they'd be shooting him, right?
Right?
But since there's no shooting, that means either Fisher took them all out, or they took Fisher out. And if they killed Fisher, why haven't they called it in?
Shit. We're in for it, aren't we?
Initiate the generator
Yeah.
check. Everyone,
Whoa! Fuck! Over there! You're gonna wish you never fucked with me, asshole!
Form up! We're moving in!
Get going, move! I've got no visual on the hostile.
Find the hostile and take him out! Move!
Still no visual on the target.
no contact, no movement.
Look out! Grenade!
Great. I'll get the guy who did this. He's gonna pay.
Find this hostile and shut him down.
I found one of our guys dead.
Bitch.
Thanks to Fisher.
Got the dad on the reservoir site. This was Fisher.
No sign of Fisher. Did anyone see him in the underground?
Jesus!
Shit!
Man down!
Whoa! Jesus Christ! Holy! The end, Fisher! This is where you die! Get down!
I don't like the look of it. Hold position. Negative. No good. The area's compromised. Hold position. Hold position. Grenade! Fight!
Motherfucker!
don't like this. Give them some time. They're probably just being thorough.
Or they're dead. You hear any shooting? I don't hear any shooting.
What the hell is that supposed to mean?
If our guys were down there and Fisher was still alive, they'd be shooting.
Whoa! Shit! I think I got it fixed. You think that's funny? Watch this. Go on and step up. That's it. Go, go.
Oh, shit! Grenade! Grenade! Take cover! Hold up! Let the target come to us! Grenade! Move!
We're holding position here. Keep alert for hostile contact. Hold position. Let the contact make the next move.
Look out! Grenade!
Asshole. This is bad. Everyone hold position. Looks like an ambush. Nobody move. Ain't gonna happen, asshole. Everyone hold up and wait for the contact. Not a chance in hell. Area's compromised. Hold position. Hold position. Watch for movement. We're gonna hold position and wait for the contact.
The area's a no-go. We'll wait here. We have to do a lot better than that. Hold up. We'll wait for him here. Hold position. I say again, hold position.
Fuck! Grenade!
Grenade! The area's compromised. I don't have the target. Got a hostile! Fisher!
Going in!
Not afraid! I can't see Fisher. Found us. Fuck! I
I
can't
got
believe it.
Overwatch. Engage the target.
I'm going in!
Target
Locate the
hit,
target
engage.
and eliminate it.
No sign of movement. Target may be KIA.
Watch out!
Let's go. The Fisher's there.
Holy cow!
You think that's funny? Watch this. Hold up. Caesar. Keep your eyes open for the target. Hold it. The area's compromised. Looks like an ambush. Fisher's around here at the reservoir.
Anybody have a line on the target?
We're holding. Grenade! Get down! Contact in sight!
That's it, asshole! You're done!
Hold position. Let the con take cover!
Stand by. I'm gonna wait for him right here. I don't like the looks of this. Hold position. Negative. No good. The area's compromised. Hold position. Hold position. We'll wait for the target here.
I got a likely ambush site ahead. I'm holding position here. Ain't gonna lie, Fisher! The area ahead is not secure. I'm holding position here. I got signs of suspicious activity dead ahead. Holding position.
I think that's everybody.
Fisher, my employers have put too much time and too much money in on this for you to fuck it up now. Sorry, soldier, but it's over.
I know you're busy, but listen up. Grim had me pick up Sarah to get her out of danger. She's on board, and we're inbound.
Dad, what's going on? Mr. Cost explained some of it, but I don't understand what...
Just sit tight, sweetheart. It's gonna be all right.
ETA, but I need the second generator coordinates if I'm gonna help you. I can patch you into Prentice Comm. Now avoid getting your ass shot before I get there.
Request permission to start shooting, sir! Permission granted. There he is! Light him up! There is a no-go. Yes, sir! Oh, shit! Grenade! Hear me? You wish you never messed with me! Grenade! Take cover!
What about the second generator?
Not a good time, Vic. I'm taking fire from that chopper.
You'll think of something. But I need those coordinates or we're fucked.
Hang on.
Careful with your fire. We don't want to risk hitting the generator. Good, sir. We want to take that out. Back off. We'll deal with them on the ground.
Move it!
Vic. Got it?
Loud and clear. Hey, Sam! How's that for timing?
Vic! Vic! Get us out of here!
Weapons are hot. He's firing! No kidding. Find yourself some cover. This is gonna get messy.
Dad?
Sarah.
I thought you were dead. They told me you were dead.
Sam! I'm sorry, but if I hear that Black Arrow radio chatter right, we are out of time! I'll let you sit next to her, but we gotta go! No! Everybody strapped in? Next stop, 1600 Pennsylvania Avenue.
Is Grimm there?
Last contact I had with her, she told me where to find Sarah. Then she said she was going in to stop Reed. Haven't heard from her since.
We are going to help her, right, Dad? She looked out for me when you were gone. She could have just dumped me with a new name and walked away, and she didn't. And we are not going to walk away from her, not now.
No worries, kid. We're on our way. Just gonna take a while. Gotta make sure our flight path is in the EMP clear zone until the pulse hits.
Oh my God.
Jesus. Those things are supposed to be clean.
All those people down there who don't know what happened.
Reed, what the hell did you just do?
Missile! Inbound!
Sarah, hang on.
I didn't think they'd have air defenses set up around the White House. I was wrong.
Vic, you okay?
Yeah, Sarah, I'm fine.
Dad! Dad! You gotta get up. Come on! Gotta get up, Dad!
Sarah.
You're okay, thank God. You had me worried there for a minute.
I'm fine. Lucky Vic got us down to one piece.
Here.
Hang on a minute. Use for that. Not much use for it now, anyway.
I think you'll need that more than we will.
Where'd you get the vest?
I was in the chopper. The crash wrecked everything else.
RPGs are thorough that way.
I get that impression.
Sam? What the hell are you still doing here? Get your bony ass over to the White House.
I'm not leaving my daughter here, Vic. Sarah, can you work your way around?
Dad, it's all right.
She'll be fine, Sam. We're 6 blocks from my office. My people are coming to meet us. Grimm needs your help now.
Grimm can wait. I'm not taking any chances with Sarah.
Dad, he's right. Go do what you have to do. Trust me, we'll be fine. I'll see you again soon, I promise.
Somebody get eyes on the lobby. You might come through there.
Everyone stay focused and keep an eye on the clock. Tonight's the night. National Mall. Any sign of Fisher? Bravo, what's your location? Are you still in the restricted area?
Damn it!
Fuck! Jesus Christ! Think I got a fix on the target. It's Splinter! Looks like trouble. We have to take him out. Looking at an ambush. Holding target spot. Somebody get eyes in the lobby. He might come through there.
We know he's in there. Nobody's a hero. Let him come to us. Don't just watch him go away.
Contact! Oh, damn it!
How do you get out of that fucking chopper? Got you covered. Engage the target.
I'm gonna close with the target. Search the area, find the hostile and kill him.
No sign of him. Spread out.
Still no sign of the target. Can anyone see him? I'll stay here and keep an eye out.
Do we have any reported contacts, Splinter? Fisher's still on us. Be careful. We can't let him reach the White House.
No contact, no movement.
Jesus! Whoa! Fucker! Where do we get? We're dancing in on the target! Find the hostile and take him out! Boom! Look out! Grenade!
God damn it! Get this son of a bitch! No contact, repeat, no contact!
Still no visual on the contact. Can anyone advise? Uh-huh.
Ain't gonna happen, asshole! Jesus! The contact is still close by. Continue the search. Son of a bitch! Take cover! Stand by. Man down! Everybody watch your back!
Almost bit off more than I could chew.
Call the army to deal with this shit. They gotta call the National Guard.
They already did, man. Saw this whole line of Humvees heading into the city. Guys in black body armor were getting out and setting up checkpoints.
15, go! That ain't the Guard, man. That's the Black Arrow.
It's not working. We need the defib.
Some private murder.
Don't have the goddamn defib. We don't have anything. Now continue compression. In 1, 2, 3.
Okay, honey. As soon as they get the phones working again, we'll call your parents and make sure they're all right.
What? They're not all right. We don't even know what's happening here.
Sorry, man.
It's in the car. I've got to get her out.
There's nothing you can do for her, okay? She's dead. You're gonna get yourself killed.
No, I've got to get her out. Jenny! Jenny!
It's too late. There's nothing you can do for her.
It's a national security emergency.
I've got to get her
Allowed near the
out.
White House.
Listen to me.
Have to ask her to come back to your
There's
home.
nothing to get out.
Read it down.
She's
Not
dead,
safe.
man.
I'm not
If you
going
go in
anywhere.
there after her,
This area isn't
you're gonna
safe
die
either.
too.
That's why
I
we're
don't
here.
care.
I don't even know who the hell you are. Jackbooted thugs with guns?
Sir, we're here to help. And asked by the government to assist in maintaining order and public safety. That is all. think he's still alive?
I didn't get that. Say again?
Fisher? That guy's hard to kill than a cockroach with a Uzi. Yeah, he's still alive.
Repeat your last transmission.
Come on. He shot down his freaking chopper. There's no way he's walking away from that.
So?
Copy that.
You weren't at the airfield. The guy was drugged out and chained up. But he still managed to bust loose, pick out 30 of our guys, and make a couple $1 million worth of
Fisher's located!
Fire! All your
We're gonna hold position and wait for the contact. Fuck me! Hold up! Keep your eyes open for the target. Hold it! The area's compromised. Looks like an ambush. We're holding position here. Keep alert for hostile contact. Subject spotted!
Come on.
No! Kick! You hear me? Position! Hey! Never fuck with me, asshole! I wish you never messed with me! Fan out and hold position. We'll wait for it here. The area's compromised. We're gonna hold position here. Grenade! Oh, shit! Grenade! Semi! Fisher spotted! I don't like the looks of this. Hold position. Down Fisher! Cannot get a visual on the hostile. This looks bad. Everyone hold position. No visual on the contact. The area ahead is not secure. I'm holding position. End of the line, Fisher!
I'm sorry, sir. It's a national security emergency. No one's allowed near the White House at this time. Gonna have to ask you to go back to your home and wait it out.
It's not safe. Look, I'm not going anywhere.
This area isn't safe either. That's why we're here. You think he's still alive?
I don't even know.
Charlie, what's your location?
Fisher? That guy's hard to kill than a cockroach with a Uzi. Yeah, he's still alive.
Bravo, where are you?
Come on. We shot down his freaking chopper. There's no way he's walking away from that.
So? You weren't at the airfield. The guy was drugged out and chained up. But he still managed to bust loose, pick out 30 of our guys, and make a couple $1 million worth of hardware on his way out the door.
What are you saying?
I'm saying that until I see a corpse, I'm gonna assume that this guy can survive anything. And if you're smart, you will too.
I didn't get that. Say again? Repeat your last transmission. Team Alpha, how about that second floor? West barricade, please report. Copy that. Affirmative. North barricade, report in.
Fisher's alive in the streets of D.C., but we don't know where. We all know what he's capable of, so be sharp.
South barricade, report in.
Yes, sir.
Bravo, where are you? Understood. focused and keep an eye on the clock. Tonight's the night. Say again? Potomac team, we need your report. Team Charlie, what's your location? Team Bravo, what's your location? Are you still in the restricted area? Anacostia sector, check in. Team Delta, are you in position? Team Alpha, how about the second floor? I didn't get that. Say again? National Mall team, any sign of Fisher? Affirmative. Repeat your last transmission. Copy that.
God damn it! Got a possible fix on the target! Oh,
Motherfucker!
Whoa!
Looks like an ambush. Nobody move. Everyone hold up and wait for the contact. Area is compromised. Hold position. Hold position. Watch for movement. We're gonna hold position and wait for the contact. Hold up. Keep your eyes open for the target. Hold it. The area's compromised. Looks like an ambush. We're holding position here. Keep alert for hostile contact.
Get going.
Now! You're done!
Hold position. Let the contact make the next move.
Negative. No good. The area's compromised. Hold position. Sit down, you're dead! Hold position. We'll wait for the target here. Kick! You hear me?
This looks bad. Everyone hold. Get on the intruder!
Hold up! The target touches us! The area's a no-go. We'll wait here. Hold up. We'll wait for him here. Hold position. I say again, hold position.
Looks like an ambush. Nobody move. Fisher, move!